How to get the new Warrior Cats Ultimate Edition accessory. Put in this code. Enjoy this small 360 view of the collar that you get. So it has all the Warrior Cats clan symbols. And it has a 20 with the Star Clan symbol for the weird thing. I don't know what it's called. But it's cool and I love it. Thanks for being my little model. I don't know what this season name is, but there it is. What the frick am I doing right now? Okay, but yeah, that's it. I'll see you. Bye.